Hey guys, I just had the Meisterschaft or Meisterschaft GT2 exhaust fitted, so I thought I'd record a quick video to show you guys how it sounds. Not sure how clear you might hear this. I'm just recording off my iPhone quickly, so let's take it to the exhaust. Here's how it sounds, looks on the car. Okay, so I'm not sure I'm going to do this on my own. I probably could leave the phone there. Right, exhaust pumping out some. Okay, this should be good. You can see the exhaust box from there. So let me just go rev it now. As you can see, that sounds really nice, especially when you're driving. It might be a little loud, I'm not too sure yet. Let's see if I get used to it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Cheers, bye.